Let's get this party started. Let's get it. All right. So today we are starting the week. It is Sunday here. It's currently 1:30 in Canada. We're checking out GU. What do I see? What does the dollar want to do? If we see more dollar strength, we could come back to 1.375. That'll be my first point of call for this pet because that was where we picked up the orders and moved up. Looking at the monthly, we need to see either a daily closure between 1.4 and 1.36 because essentially if we go back to the monthly, all we can see is this right here is just one big consolidation. If you can see what I mean, you go to the, you can see this is just one big consolidation that we're in. This is the second tap, third tap actually there. So now my question is, with this fury we're coming through, this third time that we come here, do we break 1.37 or not? Or does dollar strength come into the market and does this support hold and we actually break 1.4 and then we see highs of 1.42 being touched again? Because as you can see, 1.42 was respected immensely. Immensely, it was respected. So we'll see how that plays out. But for now, I'm sitting on my hands. Best bet for me right now will still be sales. Short, I will not be going long, but of course, we have to look at what the US yields are doing, and we'll take a look at that at the end of going through GJ and gold. If you look at GJ, for GJ, I'm a little bit different on this. I still prefer um, GJ longs because I just feel that the yen is always a weak pair. And before the yen gains strength, we need to see pound weakness, not yen strength. Yen strength does not move the market the way pound weakness does. So as we can see, if we go to the weekly, we breached that high and we breached the weekly, one of the weekly lows right there. And we breached this high, close above it, but failed to close above that high. In the monthly, it's bearish. So my first point of call for this is if we can see that dollar weakness come into the market, I would like to see us revisit 153. But if we fail to get enough strength from the dollar due to the fears of inflation, then 149, these lows down here should be breached. And as for gold, this consolidation that we're in, if you look at this weekly, been in for about 2 weeks now, breached it right there briefly, but what can we expect? What can we expect? Easy. We look at this structure right here. Unless I see this high, 1785 being breached and making a higher low, I still favor the downside. And as long as this is rising at a steady rate, as long as this is rising at a steady rate, let's just go to the weekly. You see that? I can expect gold to keep falling. If you just look at this on the 8 hour Friday, there was pretty much no volume. You see that nice push we had on Thursday, on Wednesday, I mean, sorry about, oh, whatever day that was. For some people, it'd be Wednesday, some it's Thursday. And then we had the doji right here. So watch this, of course. This would be the main chart we use to base all our analysis on. As we know, fundamentals rule the market. So that is my weekly recap, weekly prediction for the first month of May. And we'll see how this plays out. Had a really long video yesterday, Shit was almost 15 minutes, almost 20 minutes, I mean. So I'll see y'all at the end of the week. Deuces.